In focus today is Genetech Technology. CGS CIMB Research is upbeat on the stock, keeping its buy call and upping its target price from 50 ringgit to 55. The counter ended trading yesterday at 47 ringgit 40 sen. So Genetech just announced its results earlier this week. Second quarter net profit coming in at 16.3 million ringgit, more than sixfold year on year. This brings first half earnings to 24.5 million ringgit, up a whopping 45 times year on year. That's 52.5% of CGS CIMB's full year estimates. The research house deems this to be above expectations, since it sees Genetech posting a stronger second half in light of its healthy order book replenishment. CGS CIMB, which hosted Genetech's management following the release of the results, said it learnt that the company's order replenishment is gaining traction, with an order book of 203.4 million ringgit as of yesterday. 88% of these orders are related to the EV and energy storage and the e-mobility segments. The group is said to be expecting to deliver a substantial portion of these secured orders in the second half. Overall, CGS CIMB raised its FY22 to 24 EPS by 8% to 11% to account for the higher order book replenishment from EV and energy storage and e-mobility. It's projecting a 3-year EPS CAGR of 246% from more orders in the EV space, more contract wins from existing automotive clients, and higher economies of scale. Meanwhile, Genetech has also proposed a 1-for-12 bonus issue to improve the liquidity of the stock. Assuming it gets the regulatory approvals, CGS CIMB says this should be completed by the fourth quarter of FY22. So what's the consensus? At the moment, CGS CIMB is the only one covering Genetech. So to recap, that's one buy with a target price of 55 ringgit. Genetech last closed at 47 ringgit 40 sen, so that's a potential upside of some 16%.